Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi,
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Perkenalkan, nama saya Wisya Goja Zikra.
Nama saya Kelvin Julius Raja.
Akan mempresentasikan tentang hasil upra kami. Landslide. Landslide are events in which land movement occur due to the mass movement of rock or large clumps of land. The causes of the landslide itself is classified into two, namely the driving factors and trigger factors. The driving factor is a factor that affects the conditional of the material, while the trigger factor is the factor that causes the material to move. How can landslide occur? In our country, Indonesia, landslides are not a new natural phenomenon. Some regions have even been subscribed to this landslide. Landslide can be caused by natural factors and social factors. The natural factors that causes the occurrence of landslide was quite high rainfall, which result in the soil becoming eroded, which made it increasingly steep so that landslide occurred. Besides, it could also be caused by an earthquake that triggered shift in rock, which caused landslide. Whereas the social factor that causes landslide are due to human activities themselves. For example, deforestation, mountainous piles of garbage, and careless land clearing can lead to this event. For self-control, it can be done by planting trees in steep place because the trees, especially the roots, can absorb rain water, so they can anticipate or minimize the occur of this landslide. Landslides are indeed on the most dangerous natural disaster. The occurrence of the landslide is very fast, and it is difficult to avoid if we are in the place of the landslide. For this reason, it is necessary to take precautionary measures on the which in planting trees in the place prone to landslide and avoiding the place prone to landslide as much as possible.
The characteristics of will happens disaster landslide. After the rain, look falls in slope. The pebbles falls cliffs look less strong or fragile. Suddenly the results of the new. The standing water when the rainy season will disappear when going on the disaster. The door and difficult to open the window. The trees look tilting the home page or in the sudden collapse. Generic structure. General statement. Berisi tentang informasi umum mengenai topik yang akan dibahas teks. Explanation berisi serangkaian kejadian-kejadian atau sequence of event dari suatu proses yang merupakan topik dari teks. Kita juga bisa menjelaskan menggunakan pertanyaan-pertanyaan mengapa dan bagaimana agar penjelasan yang kita sampaikan lebih komprehensif. Closing. Bagian closing ini atau penutup bersifat pilihan atau tidak harus pada teks ini. Bagian ini dapat berisi tentang informasi tambahan atau opini penulis mengenai topik yang dibahas. Ciri-cirinya menggunakan simple present tense dapat kita lihat bahwa semua kalimat pada teks tersebut menggunakan simple present tense. Ada yang menggunakan action verb, menggunakan passive voice, menggunakan noun phrases, menggunakan technical terms, berisi menjelaskan mengenai proses terjadinya pelangi. Maksudnya terjadinya longsor. Ya, longsor. Kan ini landslide, longsor. Thank you. Sekian dari kami berdua untuk uprak bahasa Inggris tentang explanation. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.